Hello everyone. So far we discussed about transition probability matrix, joint probability matrix, marginal and conditional entropy, mutual information and its properties. Today we will discuss about Shannon's source coding theorem. The objective of source coding is to remove or reduce the redundancy in the source output so as to give an efficient representation of message information given by the source by using fewer number of bits. For the encoder to be efficient, it must have prior knowledge of the probability of occurrence of each source symbol. That is, if some symbols are known to be more probable than others, then we may exploit this feature in the generation of source code by assigning shortest code word for the most frequently occurring source symbol and longest code word for the least frequent source symbol. Even long before Shannon's information theory came into existence, the inventor of telegraphy, Samuel Morse, realized the importance of this feature of source coding and assigned shortest code, a mere dot, for the most frequent letter E and the longest symbol dash dash dot dash for symbol Q. Another requirement of source encoder is to ensure that the encoded version is uniquely decodable so that it will be possible to get back the original version unambiguously. Thus, an efficient source encoder should satisfy two functional requirements. 1. Minimum average length of a code word for a given set of source alphabet and source symbol probability. Second is, source code is uniquely decodable so that the original source sequence can be reconstructed perfectly from the encoded binary sequence. The code satisfying these two properties is also called optimal codes. Consider a discrete memoryless source generating the source symbol Sk. The output of discrete memoryless source is converted to a sequence of binary symbol using the source encoder. Assume that symbol Sk occurs with probability Pk. Let the binary code word assigned to symbol Sk by the source encoder have length Lk. Now the average code word length L bar of the source encoder is given by L bar equal to sigma k equal to 1 to n pk lk. Now Shannon's source coding theorem or Shannon's first theorem states that for a discrete memoryless source S with entropy h of s, the average code word length L bar for any distortionless encoding scheme is lower bounded by the entropy of the source, that is L bar greater than or equal to h of s. That is, average number of bits per symbol cannot be made smaller than the entropy of the source h of s. Thus, we can write it as L minimum equal to h of s. And now the efficiency of the source encoder is given by h of s divided by L bar.